For a top-notch dumpster rental in Asheville, North Carolina, look no further than EZ Rolloff Containers. We have a wealth of experience and dedication to serving the beautiful Asheville area, and we offer a wide array of services for any project you may have. No matter the project, whether it's a dynamic construction site, a home renovation, or a community cleanup, we've got the perfect solution for you. Our diverse range of dumpsters ensures we have the right fit for your specific needs. We understand the importance of time, especially in the vibrant city of Asheville. Our prompt delivery ensures your project stays on track from the get-go. We blend top-tier dumpster rentals and expert waste management services seamlessly in Asheville, North Carolina. We also believe in transparent pricing with no hidden surprises, offering competitive rates that guarantee affordability without the stress. If you need guidance or have any questions, our team of experts is just a phone call away. They are always ready to provide insights and unwavering support. Contact us today at 828-215-3988 or visit our website at www.ezrolloffs.com. Your project is our commitment, so let's simplify waste management for you in this beautiful city. Experience the EZ Rolloff Containers difference right here in Asheville, North Carolina.